Hello everyone, and welcome to Formula of Progress. I'm your host, Abdimanap Jusubaliev. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open, because today we're diving headfirst into a pool of the most incredible scientific discoveries and technological advancements that are shaping the future as we speak, from revolutionary medical breakthroughs to the mind-bending world of artificial intelligence. We're covering it all, so buckle up, grab your thinking caps, and get ready to explore the cutting edge of human ingenuity. Are you ready? Then let's go. Now, imagine this, a single injection that could help your heart recover from a heart attack. Sounds like something straight out of science fiction, right? Well, scientists at the University of California are turning fiction into reality. They've developed an incredible intravenous injection that uses a special polymer called PLP. This PLP polymer is like a bodyguard for a crucial protein in your heart called NRF2. You see, NRF2 is responsible for repairing damaged tissue, but after a heart attack, it needs all the help it can get. This is where PLP swoops in like a superhero, protecting NRF2 and allowing it to do its job of healing the heart faster and more efficiently than ever before. They've tested it on rats, and the results are nothing short of astonishing. We're talking about hearts bouncing back stronger and healthier than ever imagined. This is a game changer, people, and it could revolutionize how we treat heart attacks in the future. Let's talk about the internet, that vast digital playground we all know and love. But here's the thing, the faster it gets, the more vulnerable it becomes to hackers and cyber attacks. It's like building a super-fast car but forgetting the brakes. But fear not, my friends, because brilliant minds in China have cracked the code of high-speed, ultra-secure communication. They've managed to transmit encrypted data over a mind-boggling 1,200 kilometers of optical fiber at a speed of 1 terabit per second. That's insanely fast and virtually unhackable. Even if someone tries to intercept your data, all they'll get is a jumbled mess of noise. And the best part, this technology is ready to be implemented in the systems we use every day. So get ready for a future where you can download an entire library in the blink of an eye, all while knowing your data is locked up tighter than Fort Knox. Hold on tight, because we're about to take a wild ride into the future of cities. Picture this, flying cars soaring through the sky, robot assistants catering to your every need, and entire cities running on autopilot. It sounds like something out of a futuristic movie, doesn't it? But guess what? China is already building it. They're at the forefront of urban innovation, creating smart cities that are more efficient, sustainable, and technologically advanced than anything we've ever seen before. From intelligent traffic systems that eliminate congestion to buildings that can adapt to their environment, China is showing the world what the future of urban living looks like. And let me tell you, it's a future I can't wait to experience. Now let's dive into the microscopic world of nanotechnology, where things get really exciting. TSMC, a giant in the world of semiconductors, has just unveiled its latest and greatest creation, 1.4 nanometer process technology. Now, I know what you're thinking. Neil, what in the world does that even mean? Well, my friends, it means we're talking about transistors so small that millions of them could fit on the head of a pin. But here's why it matters. Smaller transistors mean more power, less energy consumption, and a whole new level of miniaturization for our electronic devices. Think smartphones more powerful than today's supercomputers, laptops with batteries that last for weeks, and wearable technology that can monitor your health in ways we can only dream of today. Mass production is set to begin in 2028, with an even more advanced version coming in 2029. Get ready to have your minds blown, because the future of electronics is about to get really, really small. Chapter 5, A Small Heart, a Big Salvation. This next story is one of hope and incredible medical ingenuity. In China, a 7-year-old boy with severe heart failure was given a second chance at life thanks to a groundbreaking procedure. Surgeons implanted the world's smallest artificial heart, measuring a mere 2.9 centimeters into this brave young boy. Now, this wasn't just any artificial heart. This tiny marvel of engineering works on the principle of magnetic levitation, suspending the rotor in midair and allowing it to spin effortlessly, pushing blood through the boy's body. This incredible technology not only saved his life, but also gave him the precious gift of time to find a suitable donor heart. This breakthrough gives hope to countless children battling heart disease and showcases the boundless possibilities of medical innovation. Chapter 6: Illusions of the Brain. Let's take a detour into the fascinating world of illusions, where our brains play tricks on us, bending reality and challenging our perception of the world. Now, illusions aren't just parlor tricks, they're powerful tools that scientists use to unlock the secrets of how our brains process information. You see, our brains are constantly trying to make sense of the world around us, and sometimes they take shortcuts, filling in the gaps with assumptions and interpretations. Illusions exploit these shortcuts, revealing the fascinating flaws and biases in our perception. And the best part? Even when we know we're being tricked, our brains can't help but fall for it. It's a humbling reminder that reality is often subjective and that our brains are capable of both extraordinary feats and amusing blunders. Chapter 7: The Brain and the Robot Are Together. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really wild. In a groundbreaking experiment that sounds like something straight out of science fiction, Chinese engineers have successfully connected a living, breathing mini-brain to a robot. Now, before you start picturing a robot apocalypse, let me explain. This mini-brain, grown from human cells, is essentially a cluster of neurons capable of basic functions, like learning and adapting. By connecting it to the robot, scientists have created a system where the neurons can control the robot's movements, learning from its environment and making decisions in real time. This is a giant leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence, as it demonstrates the potential of merging biological and artificial systems to create truly intelligent machines. The future is now. As we've seen today, the world is changing at an unprecedented pace, driven by scientific breakthroughs and technological innovations that were once the stuff of science fiction. From life-saving medical treatments to mind-bending advancements in artificial intelligence, the future is unfolding before our very eyes. And here at Formula of Progress, we're committed to keeping you ahead of the curve, exploring the most exciting and impactful developments that are shaping our world. So if you're as passionate about science and technology as we are, hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Because the future waits for no one, and together we can unlock its limitless potential. See you later.